welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is the second episode of Falling for Fall, which I'm so excited about. Today we are going shopping. Get in, we're going shopping. We are gonna be shopping for all things fall. If you are new here, this is a series that I'm doing on my channel, which is basically me sharing tons of fall inspiration for your home. It's all things home, but a fall version of that. So today we're going to a bunch of different home decor stores and shopping for fall decor. If you missed last week's video, I spoke all about home decor that you need this fall season. So definitely go back and watch that. Now that we have an idea of what we need for fall in our home, what's really gonna give our home that fall vibe, now we can jump into the stores, go shopping, figure out what we want to buy, what fits our home decor style the best, bring it home, and then the next video is gonna be a decorate with me. So I thought I would do it in order of what I would actually do, like brainstorming, then going out and shop, then putting it all together. So I'm really excited about that. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification because I'm gonna be posting fall content all season long. And without further ado, if you wanna go shopping with me, pick out some fall decor, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first place that we're going to is Target. You know I had to hit up Target. And honestly, my Target really didn't have that much stuff, but they did have a couple good options as far as fall decor, like flower stems and branches, and also a lot of fall scented candles.
When I need some loving, baby, and I never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. No one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along.
And you guys, I'm telling you, do not sleep on Hobby Lobby. Their flowers are awesome. I love all of their not all, let me not say all. I love a lot of their flower stems. You have to sift through and really dig to find some good ones that look realistic, that are a great color, that just like fit the vibe. If you get it, you get it. I also love their dried stems as well. Hobby Lobby is one of those stores where you really have to dig through. It kind of reminds me of Home Goods in a way, because they try to put things in little collections, but you can find treasures within those collections. So I might not necessarily vibe with like a whole row, but if I look through, I can pull individual pieces and really make it my own. You guys, I would say today's, ignore that brush. I would say today's shopping spree went exceptionally well. So let's get into this haul. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so let's get into it. I'm gonna try to keep it organized by store, but that might not be possible. I'll link what I can, but a lot of this stuff is from, I was gonna say all of it, but a lot of this stuff is from Hobby Lobby. Can't link that. Or Home Goods. Can't link that either. So I can link Target though. So that's a good thing. Okay, first up, Hobby Lobby was having a 50% off sale. Actually, I'm pretty sure for the entire fall season, all of the fall decor is gonna be 50% off. That's pretty much how they run things each year. So I absolutely love getting dried stems and leaves from Hobby Lobby. They just look awesome. They look really, really nice. I love these. They have like that rich burgundy, rich dark orange color that I was talking about in my previous Falling for Fall video. And I think these are just beautiful. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bouquets. So I plan on putting these in the bathrooms, in my office, in any place I have a vase, probably back there as well. Not only did I get dry stems, but I also got a bunch of different flower picks. This might look like a lot, and it actually, it is, but I have a lot of vases in my house, so I just wanted to get a ton of flower picks. I have some beige ones here. I'm not exactly sure the name, but they're beige. I got this pampas grass right here that I think is just absolutely beautiful. I got some faux stems right here. And then I thought this would be fun. It's kind of like that pop of like, I don't know, it's just something fun. It's more of like that yellow orangey shade. And I think these are gonna look awesome with those dried leaves dispersed among the house. I'm really excited. You guys, I actually got a ton of flower picks. Okay, so this is actually from Target. They look like this. I was thinking of putting these in the sunroom. I don't know, subject to change, but I really, really liked this tone. It's like orange, but not too orange. I'm not going for like bright, bright Halloween orange. Okay, and sticking with the foliage, I found this at Target, this vase and these berries. I thought this was really, really nice. Yeah, this is a lot less cluttered and busy. So if I have a room that has maybe like a faux tree, maybe some of that foliage, I could incorporate this in maybe like another corner just to tone it down a little bit. Okay, and then I got this one. I really like this because of the vase. I thought this was really, really pretty. And I thought this would look nice like in one of the bathrooms, maybe even in the kitchen on the island. I just think this is really pretty. I love the vase, so I just had to get it. Okay, and because I got so many stems and branches, I had to get a vase. So I actually got 2 of these. This is from Hobby Lobby. You guys, do not sleep on Hobby Lobby. Their flowers, top tier in my opinion. Like if you really look and search, you can find some amazing ones that look real. You can find some amazing pots. I feel like if I told you, hey guys, I decided to splurge and go to Crate and Barrel and get, or maybe even Pottery Barn and get one of their $80 pots, you would believe me. At least I would. Like this looks like it. It's like that rustic, worn in ceramic look, and I think this is just awesome. I think it's really, really pretty. And like I said, I got 2 of them, so this is the second one. There were only 2 available, so I was like, let me just get them both. Okay, and next up from Hobby Lobby, I got these woven pumpkins. I have seen these on Crate and Barrel, West Elm for like, I wanna say like $35, $40 per pumpkin, maybe even more than that. And these were only 10 each. So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna get these. Okay, moving on to more Target stuff. I have these vase fillers. Actually, what's the exact name? Yeah, vase filler. I got it right. So these vase fillers I thought would look beautiful. These were out of the dollar spot at Target. If you live in a woodsy area, you don't even have to buy these. Like, this is perfect. And then I picked up another item from the dollar spot. It's just this little ceramic green pumpkin I thought was really cute. I just think that this muted kind of sage green complements the decor I already have, so I wouldn't have to try so hard to make fall work. I'm just gonna incorporate it with the colors that I already have. And then I got this fall pumpkin, really cute, really simple. I love the cream color, of course. If you know me, you know me. Okay, and then I got a bunch of these candles. You guys, I'm telling you now, these are about to be the candles of the season. They are so cute. I love the like smoked glass. I love that it's like orange, but not doing too much. It's like an amber color. And I got them all in the scent apple orchard. And I got apple orchard and salted caramel, salted something. Okay, so from Target, I got this little fall foliage piece right here. I really liked the smoked glass, like the amber glass. This is really, really popular. I saw this a bunch in Hobby Lobby. HomeGoods had a bunch of this stuff as well, and obviously Target. I just love it. I think it's just the perfect amount of fall with like this sort of orange, amber, dark, but then also just very neutral, fits the vibe. I love the stems inside. They're really, really cute. This would be perfect in a bathroom, a little corner in the kitchen. Okay, and then I got another one of those cream pumpkins. If you're gonna get a bunch of pumpkins like I do, try to get different sizes, different shades of colors so that they all kind of blend in. So I have this shorter one, but then I also have this taller one and then this woven one as well. So I'm trying to just like get a bunch of different ones in my collection just to kind of mix and match. Okay, and then sticking with that smoked amber glass, I got this really cool vase. I love this. This looks very like vintage vibes in my opinion, and I think it'll look awesome with literally all of these stems that I have. I could just like prick one off or a couple off and like put them in here. Would be really, really cute. Okay, moving on to HomeGoods. I had some fun in here. I got more Halloween things from HomeGoods. And to start off, I got these Halloween trick or treat baskets for the kids. You guys, how cute are these? These are the cutest trick-or-treating bins ever. So I figured I could give this one to Briella. It just says Happy Halloween, has a pink little bat and a purple little hat here. Like, I just thought this was like girly, but still Halloween. So then I got this one for Archie. I thought this would be cute. It says Boo, obviously, with a little ghost. And I think these are just really, really nice to keep. I just think the kids are gonna look so adorable, like walking around with these big trick-or-treat buckets. Like, how cute. Okay, and then more Halloween. I got this blanket, this black blanket, and what makes it Halloween is because the tassels at the bottom are little ghosts, which I think is so cute and fun. I'll probably put this in the playroom. Okay, and then next up, I don't know, this might be a surprise. This is definitely the wild card for me. This is probably as bright as I'll go for a fall pillow, but I couldn't pass this up because I don't know if you can tell on camera. It looks way brighter on camera, I will say that. But the leaves on here are gold, like the stitching is gold, the detail on the leaves. I just think this is beautiful. I think this is a nice, timeless pillow that I will always have. And I think it's just so pretty. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Probably in the sunroom on the black chairs, maybe. I think it would be cool, or I don't know, but I just had to get these. So I got this one, and I also got a second one. So that's why I was thinking like putting one on one chair, one on the other, but I don't know. I might spread them out. It might be a lot to put like on chairs near each other. It might be too busy. So I might put one in the hallway and then the other one like across the couch to just have one in the room. I'm not sure, we'll see, but I just think these are really, really pretty. This is a lot for me. This is a lot of color. If you know me, this is a pop of color. If you have been waiting around on the channel for a pop of color, this is it, okay? Let's give a round of applause for the pop of color. I love these. Okay, and then another pillow. I'm not too sure if I mean, yeah, it could be like fall, but to me, this is more of like even a year-round pillow. I love this. This is such nice quality. It has like the checkered woven material, this dark, rich green color. I just love this. I didn't specifically get this to, you know, like decorate for fall, but I just had to have this pillow. I don't know where she's gonna go, but she's here to stay. Okay, and then next up, I got this bowl. It's a decorative bowl and it has like little bats on it. I thought this would be really, really cute for Halloween, spooky season, put little candies in here, or even like those acorns or something if I wanted to just have this out on a coffee table for decoration. I just think this is a really, really cute, neutral, still fun and festive, but this is just so me. Like, I love this. I think this is really cool. Okay, and then I also got this pumpkin. I think this is really nice as well. It goes with those other woven ones, but this is more of like a rattan, I think. Pretty sure this is more of like a rattan or like a basket weave, basically. I really, really like this. I love how tall it is. I think it's really cool. And then I got another bowl. So this is something that isn't necessarily fall, but I just thought this was really pretty. I thought in the kitchen, this would be nice with like fruit. It's technically a salad bowl, but I don't know, this metal on here, I wouldn't wanna like cook with it. Like, I just wanna have it out because I think it's just really, really cute and pretty. Okay, guys, so that is pretty much it. That's everything that I got from Hobby Lobby, Target, and Home Goods for the fall season. I'm tapping out. I'm 90% sure I'm not gonna be buying any more fall decor stuff. The next video is gonna be our fall decor decorate with me. So I'm gonna bring out all of the fall decor from last year and start decorating, which I'm really, really excited about. You're not gonna wanna miss it. So make sure you subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you some inspiration. If you're about to go out shopping or go online shopping after this video, let me know in the comments because we just love to shop around here. So welcome. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, give this one a thumbs up, and all of my fall home decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.